Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about the program I wrote for my Python assignment. So here's the code I wrote. So let's start from the beginning. So first I declared two empty item lists and employee list. Here's my print menu function, just to print out the menu and the options here. And here is the add employee function to create new employees. So these are my validation functions, just to check if the format is correct, which you can see here. If the ID is digit, if the ID is not digit, then it returns false. And here it loops through the employee list just to check if the ID exists. And I do the similar things with the the other validation functions. Here it checks if the name is alphabetic or not. Here, contract type, we only have two contracts, which is hourly and manager. So it checks if it's not one of them, it returns false. Here, how many years the employee worked in the company, and it checks if it's a number. If it's not, then it returns false as well. And this is the employee discount number. It also checks if the number is digit or not. And here it loops through the employee list again, just to check if the employee discount number exists. If it exists, then it returns false. If it's not, it returns true. Here is my employee information dictionary, just to create a template to use in my while loop. So in this while loop, it prompts the user to enter employee ID, employee name, contract type, how many years the employee worked, etc. And here's my create item function to create the items. These are the validations. It checks if the item number is digit, and it loops through the item number. If it exists, then it returns false. And this is the item name. It checks if it's alphabetic or not. Item input, it also checks. Item input is also item cost. It checks if it's an integer or not. And here's the item info dictionary. In this while loop, it prompts the user to enter the required values, which are item number, item name, and item cost. And then it appends it to the dictionary. And here is a make purchase function. It first prints the item values, which is item number, item name, and item cost. It loops through the item number in the dictionary, in the list, and it assigns them new values into these variables. And it prints them here in the menu. And these are my validation functions for the item number and employee discount. It checks if the employee discount is a number or not. Here, the item number. It also checks if it's a digit now or not, and then it loops through the item list or the item number that's entered by the user. So here's employee discount number. So in this function, get employee discount rate, we calculate the employee discount rate based on the values that are entered by the user. Based on the requirements we're asked for. And here is my function to update the total purchase amount and the total discount amount that the employee get after making the purchase. And here it loops through the item list to get the current item value and prints employee. So in the assignment, we're asked to limit the total discount amount to 200. So that's what we're doing here. It's just checking the condition. If the amount is bigger than or equal to 200, final discount is equal to 0, which means it'll stop giving the discount to the employee. And then after all the calculations, it prints the updated values in the menu. And then after making the purchase, confirming the purchase, it updates the total purchase and total discount value. And here's the display summary function, just to display the updated values by looping through the employee list. And this is the print menu options, just checking the conditions. If the user enters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, based on the entered number, it displays whatever it points to. And now let's run the program just to check if it's working properly. So it asks me to enter my choice. So my first choice will be create employee. So because I want to create the employee. So let's enter 1. Now it is asking me the employee ID. So I'll just put 1. Employee name, I'll put my name. Enter the contract type. Let's make it manager. How many years? Let's say 5 years. Discount number. Let's put 1. Would you like to continue? Yes, add 1 more. So I'll add 1 more employee. Contract time. Let's make this hourly. Years work, 4 years. Enter the employee discount number 2. No. So now we created 2 different employees and appended the values as different dictionaries in the list. And let's create the items now. Enter the item number. Item number will be one item. Let's say bread. Item cost $3. Yes, let's add 1 more item. Item number 2. Say water. Item cost $3. Would you like to continue? No, that's enough for now. So now let's make the purchase. So I'll enter 3. And yeah, these are the options. By entering the discount number, it'll point which employee buys the item. Let's say first employee. The item number, which item do I want to buy? I want to buy the bread. yeah, after hit the enter, it gives me the final cost and the final discount amount, which is 60 cents. So confirm purchase. Let's confirm the purchase. So now we made the purchase. How do we see the updated values? So if we hit 4, it'll give us the updated values, which are here. As you can see, the value of the item was $3. So we got 60 cents discount, and total purchase was 2.40. So that was it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.